Why does society judge men who look feminine?
Your society, man, me feel be cultural expectation of manhood.
If I mean true and true. It's only man bumping and new common say I call those Casas no training yama squanny area no hey or your banner. But the moment I make a sound bam knows
Son and
or your bema.
I want to analyze this situation for the guys.
Yes. Oh no, let me Jimmy one on cars see now. Oh share the partner. About better can now obey your number now.
What is there? Here to Kumasi Bawon. Never did one who baby.
The
original one, why I say, Kojobesia. No person call washroom. Now, Mamma soon on some money. To Frank, around now, Kojina, wash one now, or Johnson. Not yet, person who says, why I say.
Nana Ama a lot of people used to call me different kind of names. MiPROMO no bomadi amebo. But as you keep on fighting, they will keep on.
You make the situation worse, exactly.
Make the situation worse. So as I'm growing up, I decided to stop beating them. They should do whatever they want to do, and I also do whatever I want to do. Because if God don't love you, God will not give you such a life. Because you are blessed.
backyard kitchen. Now I just so I had an uncommon works and I was for. And that's not say I be dim come. Now come on in and say, yeah, more probably yes, yourself. Come on and say, why does society judge men who look feminine? Said you can't could you be siano. And not your net word boys' life matter. And when you know baby as they talk, we do introduction. Alongside Janice Pizza, our pizza with chill, Eddie and Eddie. So backyard kitchen basically is about hope. So yeah, I'm waiting to see and that's why I have this beautiful picture here. So welcome again, and my name is Her Excellency Nana Ama McBrown. I have voice live battles with her. Kobby.
Nana. Apom to say.
I did like I know did.
Yeah, back kitchen, yeah, more year than I chill why a bon comedy. Topic can see a very interesting part, and you know, you can on chips and not to say. Subjects and you're breaking it down. Oh, yeah.
I have my service, transport service there.
Ride hailing app driver here.
That's what I
see.
My half brother.
I saw that.
I saw for your topic where we hear because someone who face no.
That's what your first of all, who you're bad now, you're better.
Me pa mo chow. Tiedino asokwa kojo. Me bema prepope. Me nyese, me nyoba. Me bema straight up.
I did something come and na person. I did so. What's your bema straight up?
Straight up.
No left,
no right.
Okay.
Straight.
I did brand who introduction mommy serious I did I can't have a microphone so. The introduction mommy and then come on and found who be.
Me punem Yaya Nan. Me pre Upper West region.
Okay.
Me co school UBS, SDD UBS, University of Business and Integrated Development Studies.
Okay.
I want to go
Sir.
I did. I can't come on and found who be.
I come
Uncle Santinam called Mapa. But you can not ready. Only a man, Janice Pizza.
No, I'm there. The other band to me says, near me to make us out.
Onkasa.
I'm here when you were there. Come here, the other Casa.
Yakasa na cause the day.
I'm going to give a higher. I wish I come in. I want to analyze this situation for the guys.
Yes.
All right. Then let's do that last week. I'm going to tell you my video. I have no bill. Kobby. I'm there to tell you so what is saying.
Nana, I think say a very profound topic. I am command and comfort the be a fear mu. Of course, I'm sorry, any school ma omudidi. Na akoye say first of all, Yankopon e bonipa. Enti Yankopon abonipa na de susede de afiance stand.
No.
I can't buy, and I was saying, aha, Nana, into no, Yankopon e bonipa. Boys' lives matter indeed. Yankopon e bonipa. So ye bear man, so your ba, Yankopon e bo. Na say ye be wo bear man, na oba be ye, who say oba ne de. And no so no Yankopon ene de ma. Omo nhyada ye wo ebinom a omo ba mema but ebi asania omo hu mma ye bia tena ye omo fenti no chenchen omo so omo ya nchomo de ebi omo hia wa asase so ene ebinom so ha ya omo di fi omo ma me yem ne ba no ntumi ye ho he aha ano ja ho hwe ye
Okay.
na your society mo a me free be cultural expectation of manhood your society no your kasa obi ye bema your general perception it say say bia ye bema dia obo muscles obi gina so be hwehwe nti no oba ye say we ye bema na e ba dia obe na ante say bema onni ye be say bema but oba na say be different pe na ye be say catch say dabi o ya ye kojo be sia it's a cultural expectation no your person your mindset of how bema tie no it has been established. Again, another problem is to say your society religious beliefs. Who's a Ghana ha? Yes, a Christian nation. It's a Christian nation emotional. A lot of teachings our Bible no man. I make sure say bear ma dear old dresses say your bar dresses say into no bear man so called dress and bar. Sorry, I want to try put chunga sign. Into no me general understanding say I think say society. And I feel so Yankopon and a bony panel, Yanashia.
So Kobby Kyei Nana Ama McBrown.
Into no, I feel say me understanding. I think say a son of Cobano.
So what you can't say you bema.
Me a bema straight off.
Fully. But you look like a band. And no. Tie, me nyame na meka. Macho, enje manu si bono. Nemom, some will be any bomb social media page so once. Okay. Now I know aside the kasa say Bema in terms of they must open football, open blues. Uniema be a
energy na me portray.
And I mean, real man, I'm saying, madam, what you saying? And so you want to say, I'm saying, I'm saying,
Obi any boss who Canada.
Yeah, some of the
boss who share trouble. You be who say
the thing is, man, who's me ba say no. Mommy one woman me nyem wo ba say.
Me so e Bema. Uni
ba wani
so that time me tie woman in chat time me.
Sometime news so Kumasi Asqua.
I know no more. Nana Ama Kasama.
Your baby Emisa Hotel.
Yes.
One Sunday be na me my ma serve Chenti. Sunday no po aso ni obe dey. Obeko ayehu yase na ma ne eja fari na me kai. Omo wura fi ono Katare very good. Na fe you say ma me phone no mu ni mo say no mu sitie. No mu pojo mu say Katare Nana Ama. Sister na ama na o say oh shoot on baba no mu hia skirt bi ni ade. So ma me nua ba na ebre bi. E na me ameto so ye dey. A man, I said very long time ago.
Because that time no, na be kwa do baby no. Na see na sesa. Ebi oni ho akade. Ntu bo so. If you no young girl be a young woman be obi critical so mu pedu kumi obi. Mu meje.
Sabe perfect. But me no mommy me masa makosa me mama.
Okay.
If me mama true and true. Ti so woni man bom puni ani nkom no say akoye do si kasa se no si trene nyama askwa ne ade no obo say oyo ba na but the moment I make kasa obe bem no say say woye
Sana na
woye bema even ride hailing apps here me aduma wumi sa abefo mfide ya obi trefe no wa request na aba ne akwa for wo one time in na mu ye aduma na me nya request etiefo nye bete ko nua Mitika mu sana lady ne baaye no address it say oh e man na ya mo e share omo timi dress say mema e ja me de mi kuma se nya brand ya baba beto mu akra de e ja me share didi na sister itina kai okay so tina kai was hey you look very nice so you are very very beautiful me so mi tanya sa enkomo no me nya no more ntimi no so baba no hu me be ma unia me nkyerɛ wo yes abele wa be dem ya Baba bedem.
Abele.
It means lady it. I want to start to hit on me. Oh, like we are very hard working Obana. We are satisfied Nana. Na me tie no. Oh, no ni Jimmy won no ka see na on share ne partner. Ababa betra ka nim na obenya me number na. Na so pato me number app. We now pay me on some your band to me a tomboy. Wow. Oh, Minion knows that is a comment in there. Me post as na be funny comments. But I mean you go good say the I bet my can say, hey, I show your band now. Oh, yeah, baby. Eti, akwa se tem bia no. Ya I want to tell you no. Ya portray sa. Be might to say, oba to say any difference bia no. And me say, hey, we could do be see na say dey.
I didn't know manu nyaya na.
Look at the cell be some of them. So those sitters are he look like Oba said they won't can. Yeah, na it's what to say. Yeah, I'm a could do show.
Yeah, something no ba na me kwa good news wa achi. Oh, say you go say me ma ye bia no say. Many na so ba.
But the energy ya be.
Ka ba no.
Baba me bamo. Onu say, ni efi kuma ase ba won. Na ko gina kwan ho ba bi ko didi.
Ka sa ta o ma me woni to bo.
Ya asam ni say ya asam ni ya bitumi hiti ba.
To bo o.
Yo matumbo.
Ye soja wa ha na mi fie, wo tian na be ko.
Ya back ya kitchen.
Ko.
Nti e na yo gina won na me ko washroom me ko na mo fun ho. Unra ho so me wura ho. Unra ho so me wura ho asem ba ya. De ogina ho no wa yese kojo besia. Na opese okọ washroom wo na mema so na wo no so mo mani wura. Na no so be wura ho no ye be ma. Nti de ba e okay. Sa na tie dia omo mani wura mu no mo hwe. So ye be ma na so yo ba. So no so yo ba. O ye be ma. Oje.
Address.
Ina mo nyina no hye de ye hye bi o hye jeans. Na o hye sneaker. Nti wan hwe a wo hu ba ne ye no ne kasa no. Ina be kire se de santete hu bi na aye o mo tete no. Am to say no ma me ba.
Okay.
Na ma say oh, mama me ra ho. Je ma ye nyina ye feel like ya nya ade. Ansa no ma to brand. Owura ho na okogina wash one na or Johnson. Na ye person ye hu say why say.
Ana say
Why you say? But I feel hu ye say no agina no why say. Na ye hu say oh nda be na ye hu ani mo nti I feel sorry. Na ye ba ye oba onu opie wan na obi akwa nkase because na say we an we hit no. Wan so obi
it means that. Adi, and come over no ma me momra. Adi asem yo na wasem tie we dey adi bra.
But media, as you can all see, we want me mukaka. Nti, Tana mission. A lot of people used to call me different kind of names. Nti, mi choma no bo me di amebo. Mi say met ma bo di amebo. Mi ti mi mbo so ameka ko te baby. No be choma na ma bo na ma dana ko fie.
That is one ma betiani agata.
Yeah, I got no much I for the back. Sister, no, my friend is dead now. I don't know. Like I used to fight, Papa. But as you keep on fighting, they will keep on.
You make the situation worse, exactly.
Make the situation worse. So as I'm growing up, I decided to stop beating them. They should do whatever they want to do, and I also do whatever I want to do. Because if God don't love you, God will not give you such a life because you are blessed. So as I'm growing up, I decided to stop chasing people who call me names and then things. So I decided to leave their matter for them.
And to who you know why you say home few.
Few be me go back home.
And they say no. Do people still see you and feel sir?
Yes, a lot of people.
A lot of people.
Yes.
On that note, maybe now young call abontain never for young call tie a man for so asamoa. Omu come. I come back to your experience, okay?
Okay.
Tie be abontain. Na said your society. Ewu won na 7. Ye omu a omu se e man.
Aya, so na wo kan no empen bebre no. Saa mo ye omu hu kwadwo besia no. Bebre ye de wo mo. Ebi nso wa yanfo an wo mo. Enam suku omu ko ani sua atranti no. Omu timi sua na obi won so aho kire. Otimi didi sketch na wakakoye saa ne ama no. Enti normally titi omu ye de wo mo ne de. Na empen bebre no. I was see a mum near you, Moben, Cassachani, I did go now, my son, until so bad into no. Remember, be quite me off so again, no copeno. Into a band when I and a higher, and also a man to me who sell, and me a cry upon into a bit that no discard dana, with me at on the trap. And now, one Cassan so much of the Espiano. Me normally me or him, me cognate Sania mano. So be a Sania mane, boapayo, onimpa say e bone na oye de a Mr. Nipa me ntwe ne fa meta me because onimpa say e bone na oye wakosua esuatera nti no ayen hwe sa nipa mienu no nsunsun e wo mo bi wo a unhuni so oye oba berema but no oye gay ye mu na ebe ye nyama bia na afia pushi omum na afia kwa ye gay no nti afutu kaka mema yen Ghana man ni say ye hu sa omo sa ate bia ni mo ye ntwe me om bebre ye ne omu ni nkomo nkwa akire ne ntwa te bia omo wo mu so hu se nipa we de ni suban ya obehu obi won so aye de wo no na se ompe a wan kasa behu no atwe na ben kasa kakra na I think say betimi aboa e ma sa ni ama no omatwe omo afi ho nti kakra metimi aka afa ho no damase
me hu say nyo no my against our culture say e bande no o Ghana say you to no
so about Bema Numa, why you want to say Obano? To be honest with you, me who am mission. Like me busi and BS like to be honest, a bear me up. Because so be my always say Bema now you want to say Oba. A bibe who now at like Papiasin and so say like Nifinimu, I eh. Like it's very, very bad. Me busi and BS to be honest, a bear me yeah. Like me to my suggestion. The government needing in some like Nina Embassy film now why yeah BB to stop them. I'll be very, very grateful. But it's not nice. Corner. Sorry, Nyonku Bema no ada. Like how will you feel? It's very bad. It's very, very bad. So if there will be a solution now, I'll be very, very grateful to put a stop to that. Very, very grateful.
Enti abusafo ye mama kwa babio san koma we ye koma nipa bebre e wo ho adentwe enti akodi kakra bayi ye nkoma ni hwema endu bebi a ye ni nkomo kakra adi baba say experience say de wo ka say wo nyine no jai omu achi nkomo bi ene TikTok aba nkofo bebre hu onu madam da bia mo ye mo ade ene so nkofo da so yesa impo ana your social media post so yesa.
Okay, they were doing that on my social media handle, especially Madam Son, but Madam always warned them. If you say bad about me, Madam will block you. Okay. So it gets to some time where when I get to school, people were calling me, you chop block, you chop block.
You chop block.
Madam used to.
You chop block.
You chop block.
Ubedi block, no.
Ubedi block.
Like, if you say bad thing about me, Madam be block, you see. Okay. Nah, I don't know. Nana Ama body teasing me with school.
You chop block.
You chop block.
Any atasa.
School no, I said who was saying university no.
Me were level 200 and we call level 300.
Oh, okay. How you then?
Yeah, land management.
Land
management.
Kasa
na we are proud of you. BSc of them.
Land management.
You. But we must move school no say.
On chance I say.
Management.
I think that's a very beautiful course. Why are there? Congratulations.
Why? All right, then come on the MBA way. Kobby. What now your boys like mine? Because I mean, who's a come with one son?
Jampa. Minka wasn't that.
Unka was a deal. Son of the question.
Minka wasn't because Madrim Basso. Because, but I think say me share one story back where me share boys in back street and not also you know Kojo Besia. I was saying call for it to me didn't attempt our trafficking. And I'm afraid I'm in the didn't come on and say what are some of the challenges I have film? I have of switch car and so bank of car. And I was in Pempi, you know, almost didn't attempt. Say on corner on chance and 90 years. I of course this is kind of go for a tiano. So then all yen who say the told be a bisa say your bar na be man na be a nipa na so green no into no so no dey be told be a scan on yabi but na sama ko no catch me na se me kasa no from my friend board me kan o say ye dey wo no o ye ho hwe ye so ye ho hwe ye
answer me say me say obi ahu me o say kojo so ba me nkwaya ade a ebe exhibited that feminism no e wo me no to me buy your own shirt amabo atutu kama ko mabo me trousers
right
because when it comes to identity and appearance nipa bebre gina sa ade no so e de judge nipa so ati ase na abaye ohun atare a wo be she movement no wo ne ye no wo kasa bi no e ma obi judge wo abra e bi ananye sana
wo kasa ne de untimi ne mo hwe
te say me
de utu we a wo de no kwa de Ruby no more yet.
Yeah, remember, what's remember?
Ye kakra oh okay.
It's just I want to born our casa sell or bad time or done a match.
Any edu box game one o free gift in there was whole kasa dey dey ever come the one sana e di so twin small boy me o twin small star bina be oh star bina no ubenya da family vim kakra ye e wom ba say do hey say Chelsea hey I'm star be ende mo na changes kakra ye dey abem
still crying because you here. You say, oh yeah, Obama, oh yeah,
tomboy, yo, yeah.
Yamia Mamua, Yamubi, Yaman one who nipa, yeah, Sunny with book identity. It took me a page, we had no booty. We don't till you twist the go. I know the repatriation, a mouse silver, a chain, when you wouldn't said Bama or swag.
Sabe pepe. Chama na be counter. Who have some matter? How do you
counter? So the my idea,
okay. Answer na be counter. First show team say. What can't you say then? We counter na be counter. Na man nye personal. Te said ye ono na wa bibi na. But be we in general said about because watch on the position. Ono asabi onyege. Ono so a ye dia won sa. And no kra wa sa ye member adwuma. Twika. Ayen and never be to some member, but only the boys name look here there. I am
me baby I make canter fee. Da Kobby Kyei. Logging work. I'm hard papa.
Okay, you
I mean come on what it.
Yes.
I'm hard papa. Said you can say. My copy. Said you can say traffic mu dey. Who say na my idea na me hwe no. Yan fan so obi ti say wo. Nana wo hoi. Na bi akofo obi a oye tomboy. Not to me pese me ko e ho no. Not to car front. Na woni na ko hwi. Woni ne ko be 4 times. Ko bi hu a o twa picture na caption na su.
Bloggers
no mo dey ato ase. Na bone no so na kosi papa no.
Me stop me can say me too. Na mo adam for suffer. Excuse me. Madam for a suffer. Until she suffer. When you say nyame abon ye. You tun ya ban sa. Me wo baby wo. Ma bra bom. Me nim Jemima no. Na o be me nim Jemima since 2018. Early 2010. Na oswani nyina we tomboy. Me tumi opportunity na me nko salon oye wajen so otwa ono be na issue o man ma ta dia on share no share no we on share mu na mo ya we uti till now my own share akabani slit on share bi da scatter loud on share bi da straight on share bi da oye oba fully oba oye no bi bia seven boy ya yo share ma me ko wejan Mama ya ho hwe ani.
So share jeans.
What pam bayi
bagi money and the
Oh, unim no.
What of
I mean o kaftan.
Wash of ya kwa ye ni ma nyina ntoma. Obepam to say mema. Say dem we mu de ejoro mi ni bi ku han. Eye trousers, e mema slippers.
Because an sexuality in terms of when it comes to relationship.
Oba na bema.
Any
security.
And na asama ye can be any. What mean for be identity?
On pekasa be.
And judge no.
Baba na okasa na ye na ye ya
na kwaso mo ko ne mema na.
Boba o be me mo.
Ma show interview bebre. Wo see so no. Na tomboy kwa na se we ni je na obobo na ne mbema. Nti na ba ne se na we do ba bi no. Wo di show trim se da bi. Eno kwa se me ye tomboy ni fully.
Me pa cho. Aso we dem ka we am tomboys. Tomboys no. You mu in stages.
Okay. Me the minim.
O share your bad girl ya. Sweet star girl ya. Oba unia show time. Oya rapper ni sweet star girl no social media. Ohunu a oye ho hwe nye ye wose oba. You need to check your ho. But the rapping skills no. I'm address it to say.
Nti onu se no o shaka ba ni we ya be sa fata no.
Onu se o kasa o share be
But
fata.
I'm rap girl. Yeah, be crying I'm social but to me when it.
Your friend is saying.
The same boy you. Yeah.
Nana ana afi so okay Afronita, so Afronita share trousers no dey start. Okọ share some Cabernet be straight dress. The birthday. I'm all you were shocked. And me say I was shocked.
Yes.
So, hey, Obi otimi share nika na we dey here memma dey sa no. And what me address it? What me address nice no. Until I think some me can dey support so. Me can dey support o dey no. Until pa cho e ho no chechire man say e bi no
stages. Me dey no. Ato na akra semenante na me hye okra hu fe.
Asa gaga kakra o.
Ensisi wo se dey also sisi wo no. What I say, me hye no, me try. And I do baby so my ye na me jeans sneakers so. Wo me nanche no wo mu pa. Me so me ye hu hwie nyi. I do baby I me manage me ho but the more of them be a tefa so no do so change them manage. Until the make us so we on ma wo so no. They say me na me bobo nti no. E ma me nya sa flare no. And even now say me no kasa na me bu fu pe no ma no chia.
Yes, I kata sem na ebe.
Sana de. Me bu fu go wo say me say ah. Ada yo ha no we am me ni nyi. But me omo mo ni me o fie de e ba pa ba me ba wo chia. The to be a day.
Ebi num so to me control cra.
So cry. You want to see another call so to send the baby man.
Omoniti, ano moniti.
Where you waiting?
You say some.
Where you waiting?
Aye. Na wo video. I mean, say you see what fa be family ara wo mu o di dame. O si go
Go pa pa.
Ay asaka.
Mase, me compound. What I say? Me yo share in is a woman. And about to say appearance not counted, but when the person proves to you by getting close to you, say kwadwo abafie ha na ye nyina nyin se kwadwo ye bema ye hu se ebi an appearance kakra bi an ne ye kakra bi ne se oba but onu asebe onye mema sem bema nye be onye bema bema betibetumi afa kwanya so bisa kwadwo se nti kwadwo wo girl na say kra
Sisi ade baby.
Bana obi.
Oh.
Na
bi ko say ya wa odi tia. Say fanboy say no say. And so one eh. Oh, this like normally me ba media you say. Eh ya na DMs ni bi ye dey. Esu, so be so odi agro dey a wa odi tia.
It's a man na approach you more and I say me man approach you more.
Okay, Bema approach me that. But oba oye tomboy. Approach me that. Na adwunu msem som yo ba am som ye tomboy a. Nka bia nko ba be pene e.
Adigo mo mo so.
Menim de ba. Atasa. But Bema de Bema. Na say na make no. The moment that you get in contact with me, me no be dia go no be yi da or your ba sam na den. If you trim. Because me nyame ho like Rosalinda say bia ma ho nyere. Me nyame ho Rosalinda say bia ma ho nyere. Uni bi di nkomo hwe the interest me energy the one say me nyama bi na. The
money say ka bi about bloggers na be say ho no.
On that note, you fair well put your mind. Kobby, I'll start with you.
Now the mechanic say yankopon e bom. Let's not judge them because of the way they look.
Okay.
Until society ni dey. Until mesre nipa no ye wona sebe efie no wo ansa na wo to school obekọ asoro obekọ mosque obi so anko asoro anko mosque ra na ebe sebe obi oye geto no kra na obi pia bontin into education we ma ankran ni obi a ne say ye make sure say you accept reality no because any yakopon ye den ebom because ye talented ebi ni ma de pam ebi ni ye makeup ebi no enu aduane ye omo so no they are contributing to the economy. It won't make us because of some tintin or more ja mo san juma and I do much de yakopon de ama omu nyina no pacho de American no.
All right, good. And now me recognize Nana because you come here di.
And me their advice to me anum na any about time. So bana so te sa mesem ahyase na ye de ntiti ne ha wo mo be kasa ne ha wo mo present o mo no ahye mo because me gidi say from the early stage no o chene sa na ma nyina afi odinyini a opie nipa ma onim ha wo be present no na anko yeso akokasa ba basa akire obi na anko fa asema ma
Sam. And Kojo, would you what face a lot of issues like that? Said the Oka said, or baby, it's now okay, Mukrano. Why you like what goes here? I don't come see no, I know the who be easy. Back, the middle of us as I didn't hear from my. But you have Bama, I want to say I didn't hear from my. It's quite also what a then I'm a catcher woman. Sabe, my one year susudiano. Mausio as a point of contact.
Kakra can say, like the thing is, you have to know the person before you judge them.
Okay.
Try and know them. Even who will comment, we can try and reserve it. Fin papa movement, we need maybe determine or your bar, and I said, or you know, so bar, and that's what you said him.
Okay.
I want my who are in a break conceived idea and said, was a war mannerisms this silent. Now, my judge idea. Ama, just know the person before you judge them. Simple as that.
Know the person before you judge them. I am a Lady D1. Lady, I like you when you speak English.
Well, my own dear nice said it already. But I want to tell a little.
You want to tell a little
one? Oh, you are laughing at me.
Tell us a little one.
We are the women. We grow the children. So you have to watch your either girl or boy. The person do something. You have to don't do this. Do it like this. This one is supposed to be men. This one is supposed to be girls. So don't do this way. Do it like this. But we didn't tell them, our children, that then when your daughter do or your son do that. Let me speak my English.
Say,
Obane ya dear. Now what's the china catching? That's him said, yes.
A man is saying.
A man is saying.
How about dear? Already the body no. Say the sooner when have it to your the body. And then I'm not going to buy to say for your body a crab.
Be serious. Go opera on Casa for do the same. That's no yes, I have.
Okay.
There's not one year sound no. There's nothing you ever met in the chair and I'm so sending my near or Casa says not the side and this one could do. I mean, I am a side. But it says to be or be normal to say, I say for almost yes, and against for no more. Yes, almost says yes to me. My person. And your future, don't so I'm here. Okay, your man in my head. That is my own.
Said it's very, very interesting. Into your best heart to what so now. Yemu binu a what's our perception one. Yemu be appearance and straight up. Ye judge you. Me pa chow. Ebi nto obusu mu a. Wo be fa na tra. Ebi nto obusu mu na be hu se. Wo kwa ye. Wo be ko ma kwa we ya na. Wo back pro no. Nti no pa chow. Ye den komo we be sia. But ever to us. This is Backyard Kitchen and the conversation continues. But here ends. Thank you so much. Brilliant.